see, I've gone, for tomorrow may rain, so I'll follow the sun. Someday you'll know I was the one, but tomorrow may rain, so I'll follow the sun. And now the time has come, and so my love I must go. And though I lose a friend, in the end you will know. Oh, one day you'll find that I have gone, but tomorrow may rain, so I'll follow the sun. Yes, tomorrow may rain, so I'll follow the sun. And now the time has come, and so my love I must go. And though I lose a friend, in the end you will know. Oh, one day you'll find that I have gone, but tomorrow may rain, so I'll follow the sun.
Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars, and let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, baby, kiss me. Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, I love you.
Þið verður að drekka úr flöskum til að fá ábúð.
Ok. Það var betra að draga aftur. Alma, það var. Takk fyrir.
Við erum stödd hérna í pínlitlu eldhúsi hjá Jóninu. Ég er bara ekki að skilja þetta alveg hérna. Hérna kemur húsmóðurinn. I love you.
I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white, the bright blessed day, the dark sacred night. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, I love you. I hear babies cry. I watch them feel like much more.
Á ég að gera það ekki? Hvað er að taka á móti?
What a wonderful
We decided that you were the picture taking people, so we started over. So we don't have to always.
Þú þarf sveittu bara að við varum kallt í á móti.
Bara leiðu baðist með þetta og aðeins þú bara veist þú bara spatta fram á það.
And I had the wrong.
Amor, amor, amor. Nació de ti, nació de mí, de la esperanza. Amor, amor, amor. Nació de Dios para los dos, nació del alma. Sin ti que tus besos se anidaron en mí, igual que palomas mensajeras de luz. Saber que mis besos se anidaron en ti, haciendo en tus labios la señal de la cruz. Amor, amor, amor. Nació de ti, nació de mí, de la esperanza. Amor, amor, amor. Nació de Dios para los dos, nació del alma. Amor, amor.
And what I'm about to give you right here is a burn exclusive, baby. Let's run that.
Við stödd hér á Valentine golfvellinum Country Club í North Carolina. Allir bílar útbúnir með þeimur handklæðum vegna þess að hitinn er alveg hræðilegur. Ég held að sé 35 stigi hiti hérna. Við erum að leggja í hann núna klokkan 1.
Right the fan. Shoot. All that crap. Babies.
there. Get there. Get up. Oh, why am I doing that? Yeah, I'll walk.
As long as you're mine, I want your love. Love, 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 I want your love. I want your psycho, your vertigo step. While doing my rear window, baby, you say
I did 5.
Counter sexting. Go ahead. I'll go. I'm not. I have to. I'm telling my baseball coach when I'm meeting him there.
Okay.
and you know that I need you.
Burn, exclusive, baby.
Hún fara á klósetu þessi, taka myndir. I'm going to follow her.
Look at that. Finally.
Hi there, Big D.
My friend.
Hi there, Big D. How are you now?
Doing good.
Look good.
I'm here.
Crazy people are finally.
Cats are here.
Kem ég heim og hér í því.
Við ráð, hvað sagðu?
Líklega þarf að bíla og við stjórnum þetta ansi miklu.
Nú það orðið ansi miklu. Ég held að með þessu sé öllu.
Við stjórnum öllu.
Og hver voru viðbrögðin við þessu?
Heyri kveikjumfinnur, sagði ég. Ha?
Sjáðu jökulinn loga. Allt bjart fyrir okkur tveim. Við komin heim að ferðalokum. Finn ég þig sem ég fagnar höndum tveim. Ég komin heim. Já, ég komin
It's in
Serious?
zero.
No, it's just from the juice from the.
Oh, is that true?
Yeah.
And these are strawberries, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
And they're from fresh strawberries too.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Pancake with peaches? Never tried that.
I don't know whether it's been good or not.
Það sko ég segi það var ekki alveg pönnukökur kanna sem ég var að
Oj, ljóta pönnukökur.
Þeim hérna, gjör svo
Þetta er bara í ein legi saman.
undir og svo aðra ofan.
Over now.
Já.
Sandwich.
Linda, she liked it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
it's a boat.
Now let her tell the story.
Yeah.
The real way.
The real way.
The real way.
Okay, it was a married, married Icelandic girl and American. And it was party on the base.
You're right.
Yeah.
It's a Indian club.
Yeah. Yeah. And I just asked for juice. And they always come to juice with me.
What kind of juice
I don't
was
know.
it?
I
want to have a vodka juice.
No. And when I sleep with Björn, I said, will you dance with me to the door?
Chicken head.
And he drove me, I think, to the door. And I say, I'm not going home because I don't want the kids
To see me.
see me like that. Take me to
Thank God.
Juice.
Thank God.
So juice.
juice. Or something, they put something in the juice.
She was overjuiced.
They were overjuiced.
Juice.
Það var mjög gott að bráða.
You were dating Tota before, right?
Yeah, I was eating
Yeah,
coffee.
they were meeting, yeah, they were meeting. So, I say, I go to Ramsey,
Yeah, right.
and, what was the name?
Þorvarður.
Þorvarður, Varði.
Yeah.
I don't want to let the kids see me like that. So, to the room, and you say, I was preaching, juice. If you are going to be a minister, a Catholic minister, you never have a chance.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
what
you
she
never,
said.
yeah.
Aldrei.
Aldrei, eiga börn, já.
Blind full af væla.
She was preaching to me.
And then what?
And then what? Then you threw up on it.
And you got very, very sick.
Þetta var ekkert voðalega skemmtileg, sko.
I would like to be my...
Já.
You said I would be very proud to be your sister.
Já, já.
And he was thinking, I don't know.
Which sister?
What is she talking about? What is this woman talking about?
And then we went home and told them, we went okay, and David went away to the States. And Tota had to stay or wait for 6 months or later. Because Ole posted, see also Ole posted, nokkuð bréf til mig núna? No, it's not, ekki bréf til mig núna. Svo Tota sagði, nú hann búinn að gleyma mér.
But he didn't.
No. And at least, loksins kom bréf. Komdu til mín, elskan mín, og hún bara...
Flew over that.
I had over the cuckoo's nest. So I had to straighten some things out in my mind.
Is that right?
Right.
So you remember. But who babysat us?
Yeah.
I'm wondering, were we alone at home while some mother was juiced up on base?
Yeah, up on the base.
Who was babysitting us? Nobody. Nobody was. We were alone. Oh,
Like a horse and carriage, Dad was told by Mother, you can't have one, you can't have none.
Þrír kettlingar sem kúra þar í kór nú væla sjá. Við höfum tapað hönskunum, ó mamma, 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 mjá, 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 mjá.
I wanna live fast, love hard, die young, and leave a beautiful memory. I wanna live fast, live hard, die young, and leave a beautiful memory. I don't want slow walking, sad singing, let them have a jubilee. I wanna leave a lot of happy women thinking pretty thoughts of me. I wanna live fast, live hard, die young, and leave a beautiful memory. Really may not approve of the things that I do, but it really don't bother me. So don't ever think you're gonna tie me down. I'm gonna stay footloose, fancy free, jump back, make tracks or move out. Let the gals and me. I wanna live fast, love hard, die young, and leave a beautiful memory. Yeah.
Oh, I love that high part. Just love it. It's so beautiful.
It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lights fill the streets, spreading so much cheer. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss out on the holiday, but I can't stop staring at your face. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. With you, shawty, with you, with you, shawty, with you, with you, under the mistletoe. Everyone's gathering around the fire, chestnuts roasting like a hot July. I should be chilling with my folks, I know, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. Word on the street, Santa's coming tonight. Reindeer's flying through the sky so high. I should be making a list, I know, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. Shawty with you, shawty with you, under the mistletoe.
Við erum stödd hérna í Grenjafirði.
On the road again. Just can't wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again. Going places that I've never been, seeing things that I may never see again. I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again. Like a band of gypsies, we go down the highway. We're the best of friends, insisting that the world keep turning our way. And our way is on the road again. I just can't wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again.
Þetta er kollan á honum.
Hættu nú bara.
Það er hún Hauki, kalla konum í döfum. Þetta er Haukur í kalla konum.
Já.
Fyrstu kollin á því.
Þetta er nú ekki mjög hérna. Þetta er ekki mjög.
Þetta er ekki aðlaðandi. Við myndum eiginlega sko láta vita hans.
Hverju?
Við erum ekkert að hún er...
Hann hafði mist kollun á honum, hann lítur á sjástjörnum og skollóttur hann inni.
Just can't wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again. And I can't wait to get on the road again.
Við erum stödd hérna á Waffle House, eldsnemma á mótni í hvað er þetta, Virginia?
Roanoke Rapids.
Roanoke Rapids. Mjög skemmtilegt þetta.
Og einu minn. Þá var það eiginlega að taka mynd af þeim félögum hérna.
Ég ætla að taka mynd af henni hérna. Hverju?
Já, ég höfðu minn.
Hvernig lítur á þetta svo minn? Hvernig lítur á það? Það voru gaman að prófa þetta. Það var hana með þegar maður sé vöflujárni hjá þeim hérna.
Ég var að taka mynd af stofnlegendunum hérna. Þessu tveimur hana.
Hérna eru félagarnir sem stofnuðu þetta. Tom og Joe.
I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips, and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak.
Borðar og mikið, það er málið.
Nú var ekkert brauð heldur sko. Þannig að það er ekki brauði, við vorum eiginlega búin að ímynda okkur að hann væri með gerofnæmi.
Það var 4-5 svona sprinkler, ég tengur þetta námið sprinkler. Það gaf mér að sjálfum.
Þú var maður að setja það út á tún.
Það var alltaf.
Það er svo bara kjöt.
Já.
Það er ekki regla læknisskóla heima í Íslandi, það er eins og aðri. Blóðþrýstingur, blóðpröfur, sálpröfur og
Þú varst bara veikur eftir að fórst á okkur síðan.
Hjartarafrit og hjartarafrit.
Lappa fór út í göngutúr niður Laugaveginn og hún lappar þarna og svo hittur hún James Bond, myndarlegur maður svona og hún
Goggar í hana þess?
Goggar hann síðan. Who are you? Bond. James Bond. What's your name? Hen. Chicken.
Hvað er?
Þetta?
Ég ekki að skilja hana brandara. Nei.
Hen. Bond. Mér finnst þetta fyndið. Á ég útskýrt þetta?
Já.
Bond. James Bond sagði alltaf. Bond. James Bond. Svona. Og hver er þú? Hen. Chicken.
Egið bátt maður.
Ég leit eina lilju í holti, hún lifði hjá steinum á mér. Svo blíð og svo björt og svo auðmjúk, en blettin sem prýddi hún vel. Ég veit það úti engin, mörg önnur sem glitrar og skín. Ég þræt ekki litin ég ljóma, en liljan í holtin mín. Þessi lilja mín lifandi trú, þessi lilja mín lifandi trú. Hún ljós mitt og von mín og yndi, þessi lilja mín lifandi trú. Og þó að í vindunum visni, á völlum og engjum hvert blóm, og haustvindar blási heiðar, með hörðum og deyðandi róm. Og veturinn komi með kulda og klaka